Zimbabwe and Kenya share a lot. In 2008, they had their conflict. I think 2007 and 8, they had their conflict. They killed each other in hundreds. The machete was a favorite weapon. One ethnic group after another. I think it was the Luo versus the Kikuyu, right? And they deployed radio. The one radio that comes to mind is the one called Amani, which is based in the Kakhulu county. This radio station is both faith-based and community-based. It was used to advance community cohesion. Unlike what we were told earlier, where radio was used to whip ethnic tensions between the Hutus and the Tutsis, this one was used to bridge that gap between the Luo and the Kikuyus. That's the expectation of any normal thinking Zimbabwean, that the radio shall not be a source of conflict among citizenry, communities, genders. No. It shall be that bridge. I know I love technology. I think like most of us. So, the radio, we already have got radio on our mobile phones. We have TuneIn, where we put most of our radio stations on that platform. I've checked, some of the Zimbabwe stations are not there on such platforms. I'm not advertising for TuneIn, but I'm saying, let's make our radios more accessible to even those who are far away. Yes, we've got the terrestrial system, and we have this particular digital system, but the online system works as well. Because when I used to live in a certain land, I always loved to keep abreast with the events at home. More so, the chat shows, the political chat shows, which were my favorites. I would always go on TuneIn. And I think I would say my favorite station then was Star FM. Maybe it remains. So, as long as we embrace radio and technology and advance community cohesion, there will not be any problem. We can have hundreds and hundreds of stations. They wouldn't do any harm to anybody. It's the genre of those stations. What are we propagating from those stations? Let it be just a question of viability rather than anything else. Let there be no conflict between the regulators and the proprietors of these radio stations. So, I said I won't speak for long. I felt the room was, I felt energy was coming out of the room, people were laughing at certain things, so I wanted to make mine short. But let me conclude by saying, in fact, let me conclude by giving a quote. One by Peggy Noon. She says, TV gives everyone an image, but radio gives birth to million images in million minds. I thank you.